The Newton suppressor was really born out of necessity. As a long-range precision shooter myself, I found myself always running a muzzle brake in competition because it allowed me to see what was going on downrange. But the concussive forces and all the noise really does wear on you. I found that running a straight full-size suppressor is really nice on the ears and lacks the concussion, but the impulse is a little slow, and you do lose some information downrange. The Newton really addresses that. The recoil impulse is fast, it's crisp, you see what's going on downrange, with just enough suppression to take the concussion away from the shooter, where they don't start getting fatigued from all the concussive forces after shot after shot after shot. And that's really what we're going for, trying to build a product that gives the shooters all of the competitive advantages of a brake with just enough suppression to make it a comfortable shooting experience.